might try to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No thank you, I don't want to die. Bonjour, sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then, bon appetit.
Stop hiding behind your silly made-up red flag. Do not take a chance on the best relationship you never had.
Maybe you're right and I'm looking for excuses. My heart's got bruises but I'm ready to choose this life.
You can be the one, the love of my life.
One day we'll get married and be husband and wife, with a tasteful ceremony and the wedding of our dreams.
Only if the wedding is these.
Tell me what the thing's gonna be.
You've been said to be, you've been said